If you would like to get BRET token on your Uniswap app, here's how to do it. So you open the Uniswap wallet, and now you're going to go to swap down here at the bottom right. So you click on the bottom right there button, and then you have to make sure that you have Ethereum, and then you get to choose your token, and you search for BRET. Now you just have to be sure which of the BRET you're interested in getting. So we're going to select the first one here. And then here you get to put the amount that you would like to send or you would like to swap your Ethereum for. Now, of course, this prices change because the market is always moving. So you want to do that and review it and go ahead and swap it. After doing this and doing a confirmation, you're going to have some BRET token in your Uniswap.